Okay, so today we have organized the sit-in demonstration for the demand of Roman script for our Kokborok language. See, our Kokborok language is an ancient language which has been connected us with Tripura since a long time. Now the government has taken the arbitrary decision, not complying with our demand. They are going to impose Bengali script for Kokborok, which is not going to be tolerable anymore. Because see, the language we are having, the feature that the Roman script having is, it is that needed feature which we need for our Kokborok language. So all the feature we can find in Roman script, but in case of Bengali, it is completely different. If we will impose Bengali script for Kokborok, then it is going to alter the spirit, the meaning of our language. So we are not going to accept Bengali script for Kokborok at any cost. Our demand is Roman script for Kokborok language, and we are not going to any other script for Kokborok language. We have submitted several memorandum to several departments, but some of the departments told us that if we will impose Bengali script for Kokborok, then it is going to develop Bengali. It is not our concern to develop your Bengali language. You are having your Bengali language, you develop it by another way. We have concern for our own language. Everything we are having since the ancient time have been snatched away from us. Now the sole thing we are having is our language, and we are not going to tolerate anymore if somebody snatch us the right of imposing Roman script for our Kokborok language or preserving our language. We are not going to tolerate anymore.